In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give different color in specific text in Elementor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confidently publish your changes without breaking your design. First, log into your WordPress site so you can access the dashboard. You'll need an account with permission to edit pages. Once you're in, head to the Pages area. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Pick the page that contains the text you want to style or the page where you plan to add it. Open that page with Edit with Elementor. This launches the visual builder so you can make changes in real time. On the canvas, hover over the text editor content you want to change and click the little pencil icon. That selects the text editor widget and loads its settings in the left panel. If you're working with a heading widget instead, the process is similar, but I'll stick to the text editor so everything is clear and consistent. Now switch to the Style tab in the left panel. This tab controls the visual appearance of just the selected widget, so your change won't affect the rest of the page. In Style, look for the text color option. If you don't see it right away, it's typically grouped with typography controls. Click the color swatch next to text color to open the color picker. Here you can choose a color in a few different ways. Drag within the spectrum to explore hues, adjust brightness and saturation, or use the slider to fine-tune. If you have a brand color, paste its hex code like a 6-digit value, or enter RGB values for precise control. You can also choose a global color if your site uses a shared palette. That way, future updates to that global color will automatically cascade to this text, keeping everything consistent. If needed, adjust the opacity slider for a transparent effect. As you pick a color, keep readability in mind. Aim for good contrast between your text and the background so your content remains accessible and easy to scan. Take a quick look at the preview on the right to confirm the result matches your vision. When you're happy, apply the change by publishing your edits. If this is an existing page, you'll see Update instead of Publish. Click that to save. After publishing, refresh your live page, and if you use caching, clear your cache so the new color appears for visitors. That's it. You logged in, opened your page with Elementor, selected the text editor, went to Style, set the text color through the picker or a precise value, and published your changes.